Hey guys, I have the Ducky 1-2 Mini right here. Great keyboard, love it, and I thought I'd switch it up and put some keycaps on it. So I bought these HyperX double shot PBT keycaps, and so as you can see they're like half clear and then half white, so it's supposed to look like this from the picture, and I think that looks really cool, so I wanted to make that on my Ducky 1-2 Mini, and I will time-lapse the keycap taking on and off, so it's a shorter video, because this video could possibly be like way longer than it should need to be. So I will time-lapse that for you guys, and I will leave the description for both of these in the description if you guys want to buy these. So let's get to time-lapsing. 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now I see you dresser with the socks you don't like. And I'm rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get it out of my head. You probably think that you are better now. What's going on, guys? I don't know, I thought that looked cool, but I don't know, it probably won't in the video. But so I got done putting these keycaps on, and they look really nice. They're so much brighter. They're so much brighter. And I just, after I was done with the keycaps, I put this new mouse pad in. It's really nice, by Lutcombs. 100% recommend it. Super soft, super nice. So really slick design. Everything's awesome. And right here, it has a mouse, or no, it has a button, and it changes the lighting effect. So if I press it, it changes to this. If I press it again, and just keep pressing it, it changes to different things. Looks really nice. Really nice. And I don't know, I just really like this. I'll leave the description of the keycaps in the bio. I will leave the description of the keyboard, and I will leave the description of the mouse pad in the bio. So I'll see you guys in the next video if I keep posting them. Peace.